Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Toyota AE86 Corolla. You can see, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from the Neon Speeder series. So this costed me 299 rupees, which is the MRP of this car. So don't buy anything more than MRP because this it is coming everywhere now. So you might miss out one or two, like I did, but still you will get it. But don't fight for more than MRP. It's not worth it really. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, so let me just put this card aside. Okay, so here's the first impressions of the casting. Honestly, I don't know why they are going with a gloss black version every time. When they are doing it, you can see a lot of imperfections. See the gloss black when it comes to, toy cars, it always shows the imperfection. Especially if it is a low priced casting, because if you take any premium brands like Kyosho or something above that Tomica or above that range, that is going to be different. But this is only 299, right? They're not going to use any special paint job. So this is similar to whatever we are seeing in the normal main lines, only with details on the all sides. That's the only difference between this and the main line. And for this, we are paying 100 rupees more. Okay, so with that said, I'm not seeing any headlight details here. I think it's a pop-up headlight. I think so. I'm not really sure about this actual car because I know Torino because Torino has a pop-up headlight, but I don't know if there is any specific version of Torino, but I'm not sure. But apart from the black, rest of the paint job looks good at least. It is not the best one. It is not even the best one. It is not even good compared to the previous casting which we unboxed, the Datsun. It has taillight details. That is good. But the paint scheme, the color combination they used, it looks really beautiful. If you remember, we unboxed a D Lauren, I think last year. So that literally had the similar paint job. I don't know if it's last year or this year, start of this year. So yeah, start of this year after I came back from Malaysia, I bought it from there. So that is a beautiful paint job. This just resembles that particular one. Okay, and the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. The chassis has some detailing to it, which is really nice. The exhaust detail looks really nice. You can see the silencer here. That does look really nice. The interior looks really good. It has a nitrous tank here, which is really nice. It is a right-hand drive car, and okay, I hope this shines really well compared to the Datsun. So let's weigh this car first. But I'm really unhappy on one thing. There's this nitpick because see, in the Datsun they painted the rims which matches the body of the car, the livery and all. Here they could have went with the pink or at least the blue. That would have been more beautiful, but they missed that chance. Okay, let me just cut it. Okay, so 30. Okay, 35 grams. Okay, a little bit heavier than the Datsun. Okay, let's see how it rolls. Okay, the rear wheel wobbles a lot. I can easily see that, but it does roll a bit better. It's not good, but it creates a lot of noise, and actually both wheels wobble a lot. Both wheel wobbles a lot. It's been some time since we saw this kind of issue with Hot Wheels. Once again they proved they are not going to change anything. I was literally happy yesterday that they know that casting rolled really well without any wheel wobble, but again we are back to square one. Okay, so with that said, we are just going to turn off all the lights and we are going to you know shine some light on it. UV light on it, and let's see how that looks. And I'm just going to do it with the turntable here. I don't want to showcase with my hand because that would be better, I guess, compared to my hands. And see, the time when you guys watching this video, I would be done with the entire set. The entire 5 cars. So just mention what you want to see in the next set. Like whenever, if I'm getting the rest three, the Neon series, and I will be surely doing a video. So if you want to change something, do let me know. I will see if I can able to do that. If something is really simple, I will surely do that. If something is not doable at all, then I will mention that as well. I really want to showcase how it looks when you shine the UV light. So let me just turn off the lights and turn on the turntable and everything. So let's see how this one goes. So just give me a second. So guys, I'm just going to turn off this light and I will be turning on the UV light. So let's see. Okay, that actually looks really nice. Hmm. That looks a bit different. I was hoping that pink would shine more, but maybe when I'm looking at here or with my naked eye, that looks a bit different compared to what I'm looking at the screen. Maybe because of the privacy protector. Maybe you guys will be able to see it clearly, like I'm doing it right now here. Maybe a bit better, because if you have a good screen, so that looks actually nice. Yeah, that looks really nice actually. So yeah, so I'm hoping that they would do more of this, even in majority I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm just noticing something. Even the rim colors looks a bit different now. Maybe because it's, I don't know. I don't know what color it was. I think it was black, I guess. But now it looks like shiny white. So that does look a bit different. That is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.